The automobile was first invented and perfected in France and Germany in the late 1800s. True Americans quickly came to dominate the automotive industry in the first half of the 20th century. Henry Ford innovated mass production techniques that became standard. General Motors and Chrysler emerged as the Big Three auto companies by the 1920s. When were cars invented? The 1901 Mercedes, designed by William Maybach, it deserves credit for being the first modern motor car in all essentials. Its 35 horsepower engine weighed only 14 pounds per horsepower, and it achieved a top speed of 53 miles per hour by 1909 with the most integrated automobile factory in Europe. Daimler employed some 1,700 workers to produce fewer than 1,000 cars per year.
Automotive parts. There are automotive parts we can discuss to you. The battery. The battery is located under the hood of your car. It transforms chemical energy into electrical energy that is delivered to the starter to start the engine. Alternator. The alternator generates electricity that transforms mechanical energy into electrical energy. The third one is the axle. The axles are an important part when you want to move, brake, and turn. Most modern vehicles are equipped with a split axle. And the other one are brakes. This is located behind a wheel, and over time the padding will begin to wear down. The radiator. The radiators needs to be filled with the sufficient quantities of engine and coolant to ensure in its temperature doesn't rise too high. The AC compressor. The AC compressor is found in the engine compartment. You will know when your compressor is damaged because you will not feel any air coming through the vents, and it will make loud bother and some noises. The muffler. The muffler is part of your car's exhaust system and is responsible for keeping it quiet. It's located between the engine in the front and tailpipe in the back. The transmission. The transmission shifted by the driver from a gearing devices inside the powertrain. The shock absorber. The shock absorbers helps keep your vehicle stable when you are drive over uneven roads. It's located on the side of your car and must be replaced by the end of the month or by the end of the month to avoid the risk. Catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is a vehicle with poultry or catalytic converter with trigger the check engine light.
What is plumbing? System of pipes and fixtures installed in a building for the distribution and use of potable water and the removal of waterborne waste. It is usually distinguished from water and sewage systems that serves a group of buildings or a city.
In this module, plumbing parts are discussed, where they define what is done and how they manage their wear. Discuss how to make the vessel clean water and drinking water in such a way that the pipes work properly and do not leak. In pipe fitting is a method where you can adjust the pipes or reposition and subtract if you want to reposition. There are different types of pipe fittings. They discuss here These are the ones used for fixing the pipes and how they are joined together in proper work. It also explains how and where they are used, how they help with plumbing parts, discuss it, how to use and how it works. Tools and materials in plumbing are also discussed here in Module 1. It also discusses the tools and materials needed for plumbing. It states how it's used and where it should be used. How tools and materials help with the pipe adjustment. Plumbers supervise and capable of organizing and plumbing work. They are the ones who know better how to do it and how to do it properly.